Hi there. Very soon it's gonna be possible for you to send money through Mpesa while being able to hide your name and your phone number. Very exciting times. And I'm saying so because there is a company called PriviPay Limited which has a product called Siri Yangu. Guys, this product is gonna serve as a gateway to assist you be able to send money while also enhancing your privacy by allowing you to hide your name and also your phone number. I'm really excited by this, guys, because this is gonna be a fast kind of integration within Mpesa that's gonna allow people out there to be able to send money anonymously. And by the way, this is a game changer, and I'm saying so because we've all seen an increase in cases of fraud out there. People, for example, out there receiving messages around, oh, someone needs assistance, oh, mom send you pesa kwa so and so and no calculator, oh, you owe me this amount of money, refund me, and so forth. Coincidentally, there has been allegations out there that, for example, these numbers of different people out there are being targeted have been harvested through M-Pesa transactions, through maybe different agents out there or whatnot. I think with this particular gateway coming to effect, if it's rolled out successfully in the country, it's gonna be a game changer because you're gonna be able to send money while hiding your name and also your phone number. And by the way, the developers of this, PriviPay Limited, through this product called Siri Yangu, are actually saying this is gonna be big, for example, in charities, whereby you could find, for example, people out there requiring donations. You might want to donate anonymously, right? You don't want your name to be revealed and so forth. Because we've all seen, for example, some donations out there, you donate money, someone puts your name there and the amount donated. Sometimes you could want, for example, to donate money while also hiding your identity. You just want to help. You don't really want your name to be known out there. You just want to help. So these developers are saying this is gonna be a good solution for that, because you're gonna be able to contribute money towards given causes out there while also hiding your identity. I'm really excited about this. Can't wait to see it come to effect in the market because I know it is a very big game changer. What do you all think? Do you think this is really gonna revolutionize how money is transferred more so anonymously in cases whereby someone wants to hide their name? Share me down below in the comment section. Let's continue discussing down there. Cheers, and I look forward to share with you other videos next time.